Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
While the for loop allows the user to loop through a series of statements a set number of times, the do-while loop allows the user to repeat looping through a series of statements until a specific condition is met. Once again, like the for loop, you can also use the exit while clause to exit a do-while loop if it uses an if-then-else clause and you wish to have a possible result of the test be to exit the do-while loop. The general syntax of the do-while loop is that you type the word do and then the statements that you want to execute inside of parentheses, then the word while, and then the condition that remains true. There is another variation on this loop which can also be used to evaluate a condition, and then execute a series of statements if the condition evaluates to a true value. And this is the while-do loop syntax. When using the do-while syntax, the set of statements that must be executed at least once by the do clause, and then the condition is evaluated. When we switch the syntax to while and then do, the condition's evaluated first, and if that's found to be true, then the series of statements specified after the word do is executed until the condition returns a false value. And so in this situation then, the while statement comes first, the condition to be specified, and then after the word do, inside of parentheses, the different tests or conditions to run through, the different statements to execute. So here, for example, we have a while loop that evaluates what character is this numeric text character inside of this text string. So we define a string that says my cat has 9 lives. The number 9 is a number displayed as text. Then we put the length of the string into a string or a number variable. We define another number variable as the result, -1, and then we define another number variable of x and assign that the value of 1. And while x is less than or equal to string length and the result is still false, or the -1, then it executes these statements. It creates a new string called y and assigns it to the my string and the number whatever specified by x. If numeric text is in y, whatever character that is, then the result is x. X then is x plus 1, and it just keeps looping through that as long as x is less than the total length of the string and the result remains false. Now eventually it's either going to return a false result, like a -1, or if it does find the actual numeric text, it'll return the number of the character. In this case, this would be the 12th character in that text string. So you can save and close it, and if you wanted to see it in a report, just add the field. When you preview it, you can see it returns the number 12. If we simply went and edited the field, just changed the word or the number 9 to the word 9 and saved it, now it should return the -1 for the false value. And so that's an example of using a while loop in a formula.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.